Is Similac Total Comfort good for infants? Similac Total Comfort is a formula designed for infants who may experience digestive discomfort or have sensitive stomachs. It is formulated to be gentle on their digestive systems and reduce symptoms such as gas, colic, and fussiness. However, it is important to note that every infant is unique, and what works well for one may not work for another. Similac Total Comfort contains partially hydrolyzed protein, which means the proteins are broken down into smaller fragments. This can make them easier to digest for some infants. Additionally, it is usually lactose-free or contains a reduced amount of lactose, which can be beneficial for infants who have lactose intolerance or difficulty digesting lactose. If you are considering using Similac Total Comfort for your infant, it is recommended to consult with your pediatrician or healthcare provider.